welcome back to the second period of the Colorado Avalanche New York Rangers Strat-o-matic replay of the 2022-2023 season. If you missed the first part, I advise you to go check it out because you missed a lot of action actually. We start the second period with a score of 3-1. So face off here, Trocheck's +3, Eller's +2, +1 for New York. Superior right wing will take it. They are in a 3 offense, 3 forechecker. Colorado's 2 offense, 2 forechecker, so 3-2, possible loose puck, possible breakaway here. Center, if he's a 4, he's not. So Trocheck will retain the puck. 3-2, opponent defense 3. Inside shot for left wing, intimidated by the right D is 1-9. He does intimidate, he'll take it away. 2-on-3 here, opponent defense 4. Takes away puck, has inside shot, intimidated by the left defender, who's 1-6. Nope. Inside shot here for Keandre Miller. Inside shot 4, saved right winger. Uh, 2-on-3 here for the visitor, passing D. Outside shot for center, he's a 3-on-3 or J passer, he'll look to pass. Inside shot for left wing, Matt Nieto. Inside shot 6, save left wing. (3-2) here for the home team, lose to opponent. 2-3 here for the visitor, passing E. Loose puck, outside shot for center. 4-on-2, 1-12 opportunity for Trocheck. Denied, taken away. 2-on-3 here. Inside shot for any, loose puck, inside shot for any player. Trouba, Kane, Trocheck, Panarin. Yeah, it's not going to be Trouba. It's not going to be Kane. Intimidated by the opponent. 1-6, 1-5. We'll just go Trocheck here. Intimidated 1-5. 1-6. So it's a 6. Inside shot here for Trocheck. Inside shot 10. Save center. 2-on-3 here for the visitor. Last card. Passing D. Outside shot for left wing. He's a 3-on-4. J passer. He'll look to pass. Loose puck to opponent. That'll be into the first forward line here, the second period. So the next forward line for the home team will be the third forward line, which will be Chittle, Kako, and Lafreniere. And the third defensive pairing is Schneider and Nicola. For the visitors, they'll have their first forward line and their third defensive pairing. All right, here we go. 3-2 for New York. Passing A. Inside shot for left wing, intimidated by the right defender. 1-4. It is a 4, so he'll take it away. 2-on-3, passing E. Outside shot for right wing. He's a 4-on-3. Turns into a 1-10, or he's a JKL passer. He'll look to pass. Inside shot for any player. No intimidation either. So we'll go McKinnon. Inside shot here for McKinnon. Inside shot 4, saved center. 3-2 here for New York. Outside shot only for any player. It'll be Chittle, he's the only 4 out there, so we'll take the outside shot 3, save left wing. 2-3 here for the visitors. Inside shot for any player, intimidated by the opponent. So Rantanen and Rodriguez, intimidated by the opponent. We'll go Rodriguez, intimidated 1-4. It is a 1, I'll take it away. So 3-2 here for the home team. Loose puck, outside shot only for any player. So outside shot. They're both We'll go Rodriguez. Looks like he has some more possibilities here. So outside shot length here for Rodriguez. This is 9, saved any defensive player. We'll give it to Braden Schneider. 3-2 for the home team. Opponent defense 4. Inside shot for right wing, intimidated by the opponent, 1-2. He has a 14, so inside shot here for Capo Caco. Inside shot 8, saved and rebound. Rebound opportunity. Off to lefty. If he's a 2 or more, he's only a 1, so opponent has control. Last card of the shift. 2-3, opponent defense 3. Takes away puck, his outside shot. He's not going to get inside, that's for sure. So outside shot here for Nico McCullough. 9, lose to left defender. And that'll be the end of that shift. So we'll have our third shift change here. I guess our second of the period. Both teams will send out their fourth forward lines with their first defensive pairings. And remember, if you watch the first video, this is where New York actually scored their 1 goal of the period with their fourth forward line out there. Although the fourth forward line didn't really do much for them because it was just the defensive pairing of Trouba and Miller that did it. But still, it gives them a little bit of hope. Colorado, I mentioned they had 3 goals, 2 of which came on the first shift of the game. Comper and then, was it Nichushkin, I believe? I think he was the other guy that scored. And then Makar scored on a power play later in the period. Oh no, it wasn't power play. I don't remember when he scored actually. But yeah. So Colorado's still leading 3-1. Nothing's happening yet this period. 2-3 here for the visitors. Opponent defense 2, takes away puck, inside shot intimidated by the left defender, 1-6. It is a 9, so inside shot here for Adam Fox. Inside shot 9, saved right defender. Fox is denied. They've been doing better getting pucks on net. 2-3 for the visitor. Opponent defense 5. Outside shot 4 center. He's a 3-on-1. That is 1-12 inside opportunity. He does get an inside look. So Alex Newhook, inside shot here, 8, save and rebound. Here comes the rebound opportunity. Defensive center takes it. 3-2 for the home team. Loose puck, inside shot for any player intimidated by the opponent. So either Taves and Makar both have taken a shot. We'll go Taves, it's intimidation of 1. Opponent takes away puck, possible penalty. It's a D penalty, no penalty on the play. He'll take it, 3-2 here. Passing B, inside shot for right wing, intimidated by the opponent, 1-5. Opponent fails to take away puck, possible penalty. We'll resolve this, so inside shot here. It's 8, save and rebound. Vesey denied. We'll put the possible penalty up there. Rebound, defense, any player with defense rating 4 or more. I'll give it to Tay, so let's check the penalty. He's a C. C16 as a penalty. 2-minute minor for Cagliano. So New York will have their first opportunity at the power play of the game. I mentioned in the first video, they're only scoring on 8.3% of the power play opportunities. Meanwhile, Colorado is 72.7 with their penalty kill unit. Let's see here, 1, 2, and 3. So first power play unit here for New York. First forward pair, or first forward line with Kane. And Kane will be playing point. The defense guy will be Trouba, who has a goal already, so there you go. Mentioned Kane on point. Right wing there, left wing there. First penalty kill unit here will be Comper and Nichushkin. Carante, so he was already out there. So we'll get the power play underway here. +3 automatic, so +4, +2, 4-2. Superior right wing will take it. He's a JKL passer, so he'll look to pass here. Passing J. Inside shot for left wing, Chris Kreider. Inside shot 7, goalie rating. So there you go. Goalie rating by Georgiev. Goalie rating 8, face off. So Kreider with a good look on the power play, but it is stifled there. +2. Figure right D takes it away. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll look to ice it. Puck iced. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Shorthand lefty has it. I'll look to ice it again. Puck iced. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shorthand right D 13. Takes away puck. Look to ice. Puck iced. 1, 2. Yep. Shorthand right wing 13. Takes away puck. Good penalty kill unit there for Colorado to maintain the 3-1 advantage. Let's get the correct guys back out here before we work on our line change here. New York's guys are out there correctly. Colorado's guys out there. So with the line change, last shift of the period, New York will have their first forward line out here with the second defensive pairing. That is the last shift of the game for the fourth forward lines, both sides. I believe both teams are utilizing some of their players on the fourth line there, so you might be seeing them the rest of the game. And the visitors will have their second forward line out there with their second defensive pairing as well. Here we go then. 2-on-3 for the visitors. Outside shot only for any player. Lekanen and Shishkin. It'll be Lekanen. Outside shot only here. He hasn't taken a shot yet. Outside shot 5, save left defender. Lekanen is denied. 3-2 here. Inside shot for any player, or for lefty, intimidated by the right D. 1, 2, 9. Inside shot here for Keandre Miller. Inside shot at 11, loses to the right defender. 2-on-3, lose to opponent. 3-on-2, passing C. Outside shot for center. He's a 4-on-5 JKL passer. Lose puck to opponent. 2-on-3. Opponent defense 1. Takes away puck. Inside shot intimidated by left wing. Who's a 1-6. Opponent takes away puck. Possible penalty here. D. 7. No penalty. 2-on-3. Passing F. Outside shot for center. 3-on-5 JKL passer. Lefty has control. 3-on-2. Opponent defense 1. Takes away puck. Inside shot intimidated by left wing. 1-6. Intimidation's 15, so no inside shot here for Eric Johnson. Inside shot 11, save left defender. E. Johnson is denied. And then last card of the period, 3-on-2. Inside shot for right D, intimidated by left D. 1-6, 8. Inside shot here for Jacob Trouba. Inside shot 8, saved and rebound. Offensive right wing on the rebound. So Vladimir Tarasenko, rebound 8, another rebound. offensive right D. If offense is 2 or more, it is. So Truba with another look here at the end of the period. 7 goalie rating this time. New York needs this one. Goalie rating 8, saved and face off. So a couple good looks there at the end of the period, but overall, no goals scored here in the second period. We remain 3-1. Colorado leads it. Shots on net here this period for Colorado. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a little bit of a tick down. You had 14 in the first. For New York, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you had 8 in the first. You had 10 this period, so 18 total. 20 total for Colorado. And that is the end of the second period. We'll come back with the third period.